Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Node 18 Plus and Python 3. 10 Plus are installed. You want compatible runtimes. Once done, create a project folder, run npm init and set up a Python virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv. Make sure to activate the venv and pip install any Python packages your script needs. Meanwhile, install Express in Node and plan to use child process or a lightweight IPC library to call Python. This gets you into the practical work immediately. Now implement the bridge. You create a Node module that spawns Python using child process. Spawn and streams stdout and stdir for real-time data. Once running, standardize a JSON line protocol. Pass arguments or JSON on stdin and emit JSON lines on stdout for structured responses. Make sure to parse incrementally and handle partial data. For ongoing or high-throughput needs, consider switching to a socket, 0MQ, or a small HTTP microservice in Python for clearer lifecycle control. Finish by wiring error handling, timeouts, and graceful shutdown. When Node spawns Python, attach listeners for exit, error, and timeout, and ensure you call process. Kill if needed. Once done, validate return codes and capture stdir into logs so you can diagnose failures quickly. Make sure environment paths point to the venv Python and test with large payloads and edge cases. Troubleshooting tip: if data stalls, check buffering and flush stdout in Python. Use sys, stdout, flush after each JSON output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.